Back now, 7:30. Carson Daly here, and check this out. A live look from the Statue of Liberty. Look at that perspective. Just one of the many places dealing with this Blockbuster blizzard.
Who mounted that nest cam? That's impressive there. Well, in a word, it is absolutely brutal. Snow measured in feet, howling high winds, travel brought to a halt all across the Northeast.
All right, let's head to our east now, New York's Long Island. Your people out there getting absolutely pummeled right now by the storm. Dylan has made her way there for us. Dylan, good morning.
Good morning, guys. You know, I have to admit, I'm a little rusty when it comes to winter storm coverage. I haven't been out in a storm like this for a long time. In fact, Long Island hasn't seen a storm of this caliber in about 4 years. I mean, we're looking at 50-mile-per-hour wind gusts, wind chill of about 5 degrees. We already have 15 inches of snow on the ground, and with snowfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour for the next, say, 5 hours, I mean, we still have a ways to go. Coastal Long Island could also see wind gusts up to 75 miles per hour, and they're expected to get inundated with water at the high tide, so coastal flooding is a major concern there as well. Now, as Al mentioned earlier, this is a heavy, wet snow. It kind of just globs on to the trees, to the power lines, and when you're looking at wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour, that's why we're still concerned with widespread power outages throughout the day, as the trees and the power lines could topple down. Now, I want to point out, when you step outside, there is a lot of snow to shovel. It's hard to find your sidewalk. It's hard to find the driveway. But what we didn't have, or what we don't have this time around that we had back in January with that last storm, it stayed below freezing for 9 consecutive days. This time around, we should hit 40 degrees by Wednesday. So maybe that'll help a little bit more as we try to do the cleanup and dig out from this latest storm, guys.
All right, there's some good news. And oh, by the way, you don't seem like you've gotten rusty at all, just so you know, Dylan Dreyer. Dylan, thank you there on Long Island. We will check in with you in just a bit. Al's going to have an update on the forecast as well in just a bit.
Hey, thanks for watching. And don't forget, you can catch the Today Show every morning on NBC, or take Today when you're on the go. Just follow the Today podcast on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you listen.